Are you concerned about the safety of your home? Want to learn how to set up security cameras? First, decide where you want to place the cameras. Make sure they cover all entry points. Consider both outdoor and indoor cameras for complete coverage. Check if your cameras need to be plugged in or are wireless. Choose a high-quality camera with night vision capabilities. Install the cameras at a height where they cannot be easily tampered with. Ensure the cameras are facing the right direction for optimal surveillance. Connect the cameras to a power source and a recording device. Some cameras require a subscription for cloud storage. Test your cameras to make sure they are functioning properly. Set up the cameras to send alerts to your phone when motion is detected. Secure your cameras with strong passwords to prevent hacking. Monitor your cameras regularly to ensure they are working effectively. Keep the lenses of the cameras clean for clear footage. Consider investing in a security camera system with professional monitoring services. Remember to check the camera's field of view to avoid blind spots. Install security cameras in areas with high foot traffic for maximum deterrence. Remember to abide by your local laws when installing surveillance cameras. Consider investing in additional features like two-way audio for more security options. Position the cameras strategically to capture important areas like driveways and backyards. Stay informed about software updates and security patches for your cameras. Invest in a durable housing for outdoor cameras to protect them from the elements. Utilize camera mounts and brackets to easily adjust the angles of your cameras. Consider using cameras with wide-angle lenses for broader coverage. Customize settings such as sensitivity levels to reduce false alarms. Keep cables hidden and secured to prevent tampering and theft. Opt for cameras with remote access capabilities for easy monitoring while away from home. Remember to regularly review footage captured by your security cameras. Consider investing in additional lighting to improve the quality of your camera footage. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is secured to prevent unauthorized access to your cameras. Don't forget to place warning signs to let visitors know they are under surveillance. Consider integrating your security cameras with other smart home devices for added convenience. Familiarize yourself with the features and settings of your security camera system. Stay vigilant and proactive in monitoring your security cameras for any suspicious activity. Implement a backup storage solution in case of camera malfunctions or theft. Test your security cameras regularly to ensure they are capturing clear footage. Invest in high-resolution cameras for detailed and crisp images. Take steps to protect your privacy when using security cameras in your home.